In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable R1 thinking mode in DeepSeek for step-by-step reasoning. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a fresh conversation, turn on the deeper reasoning mode, and get clear, structured answers to your questions. First, open the DeepSeek app on your device. Give it a second to load so everything on the home screen is fully ready. Starting from a clean slate helps you keep your thoughts organized, especially when you want a focused response. Next, start a new conversation. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the New Chat button. It's the plus icon inside a circle. Tapping this creates a fresh chat where your next question won't be influenced by any earlier messages. If you already see a chat open, that's fine. The New Chat button should still be visible in that same top corner. Before you type anything, enable R1 thinking mode. Right below the text box, find the think icon that looks like a small atom. Tap it once to switch R1 on. You'll usually see a visual change, like the icon highlighting to confirm it's active. This mode encourages the app to walk through problems more thoroughly, outlining the reasoning steps it takes to reach an answer. If you ever want a quicker, less detailed reply in the future, you can toggle this off the same way, but for now, keep it on. Now tap the message box and type your problem or question. Aim for clarity. Briefly describe what you're trying to accomplish and include any essential details, such as your goal, any constraints, or what you've already tried. This helps the model structure its reasoning and saves you time. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive information, only include what's necessary for the problem at hand. When you're ready, tap send. The button typically appears as an arrow or paper plane icon at the edge of the text box. After you send your message, give the app a moment to think. With R1 enabled, the response may take a bit longer, but you'll get a more methodical, step-by-step breakdown. DeepSeek will respond with detailed reasoning that walks through the logic behind the answer. Read it from top to bottom to follow the flow. If something isn't clear, you can ask for a simpler explanation or request more detail about a specific step right in the same chat. That way you build on the existing context without starting over. That's it. Open the app, start a new chat, turn on the R1 think mode, ask your question, send it, and review the step-by-step reasoning. You're ready to get more thoughtful, transparent answers in DeepSeek.